Look at her. Who needs kids? You got a bubble machine.
Party!
It's about to take off again.
Chasing bubbles going around that way.
That's what it is. I wondered about that.
Bubble party! It's bubble party!
So you can go out there and look this way if you want. Go up on the hill. Go up on the
Move
hill.
it as I do it.
Bubble party! Bubble party! This is bubble party! This is a bubble party! Right, Poppy? This is bubble party! I'm trying to hold it.
She's getting tired now, Dave. She loves it.
That's too goddamn cool. Who do you think sells those?
Bubble party!
She probably got it at Walmart.
No, Josh got it for her birthday.
Oh.